Hi everybody, I'm back and this is ready. The house smells amazing, like honey mustard, delicious. So I'm gonna take it out so I can show you what it looks like. It is sizzling up a storm. That's just what I want it. I only left it for another 10 minutes there, but that's it. Doesn't that look yummy? That looks absolutely delicious. Look at that, beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, see, here's the rice. Roast pork fried rice, right here. Nice and steamy hot. So, let me show you. So I'm gonna cram a spoon of this. And with broccoli, to see some broccoli in there. Okay, because that's roast pork fried rice with some broccoli. There we go. I think that looks really delicious. We gotta get a nice piece of broccoli because we gotta make a little cutie for the picture. So, but you know what? There we go. There's your broccoli right there. Yum, yum. So, we have the rice served. Okay. I'm gonna put that to the side. Let me get my little spoon rest. Put the spoon rest there. And let's cut this up. Oh boy, those bones cut very nice. Look at that. Grab it in between the bones. Now this is really good. If it was hot, let's see if I could do the tender test where you wiggle. No, I can't do it. It's too hot. But the tender test is you just try to pull it apart, pull the bone right out. But it's too hot. I ain't pulling anything. I'm not pulling nothing. Look at those beautiful ribs. I'll put one right here. And let's get another one. This looks beautiful. Oh, look at a little piece of meat on there. So good. There you go. There you have it. Roast pork fried rice with barbecue ribs. Delicious. I hope you like my recipe. I hope you'll make it one day. I'm gonna have a like. I love comments. Subscribe to my page so you don't miss any episodes. And if you make it, bon appetit. Love you. Bye.